To use ABHuntLog, make sure you have downloaded iHunter from your device's app store. Open iHunter to begin. Before you start using ABHuntLog, you will be required to register and fill out a consent form. To begin registration, tap the bottom right icon followed by ABHuntLog registration and follow the prompts. Once you have completed registration, you will be ready to begin tracking and submitting data. ABHuntLog allows you to choose if you want to track your trip. If you leave GPS turned on, ABHuntLog will calculate your travel time and distance. But if you don't track your trip, it does require you to submit a best guess on the amount of time and distance traveled in the WMU of your trip. To start a new trip and access the dashboard, tap on the bottom right icon, followed by the green ABHuntLog button. This will open the dashboard where you can tap the orange Start a Trip button. When you start a trip, you will notice an orange on/off button, indicated with the red circle. When it is orange, tracking is on. To start the trip without tracking, simply tap the button off. Fill out the drop-down menus on the screen and hit Start Trip. To track your observations during a trip, tap the green ribbon at the bottom and there you can scroll for the species observed and record an estimated value. Once you are done your trip, tap that Stop button on the left side of the green ribbon. It will give you an option on the right to End Trip in orange or Resume. Tap End Trip and then Complete End of Trip Survey. This will start the End of Trip survey where you can select your hunting method, record an estimate of your time spent driving or walking in the WMU, and an estimate of the distance you traveled while driving or walking in the WMU. If you left tracking turned on, your trip time and distance will be provided for you, though you can edit them if needed. Here you can also select your species of interest, species observed, species harvested and rate your trip satisfaction. When you are done, tap Submit this trip. If you were in a specific area and were looking for a specific species but did not see any, you can also submit those observations. Zero observations are important. Submitting your zeros for species that you were hoping to or expecting to see on your trip may help biologists understand which habitats may be underutilized by wildlife. When you are filling out the End of Trip survey, you can indicate the species of interest by tapping the star next to the species, even if zero were observed. ABHuntLog stores all of your trips in the Trips dashboard. To access the dashboard, tap on the bottom right icon and then the green ABHuntLog Dashboard button. This will open a screen where you can see your history and view trip information by date, by specific WMU, which is why you need to submit separate surveys for trips in different WMUs, and a species summary. Your dashboard will help make mandatory reporting much easier. No remembering, but it does not fulfill your mandatory reporting requirement with the GOA.